Morning, people. This is Hemanta Gurukul Kitchen, and I today prepare the lunch in lau patta, bottle ground leaf. So how to make, and you are clean this leaf like this type of outside the lau patta and bottle ground, and you what put this vegetable. So you green chili, onion, and also ginger and garlic, and you also put potato. So you first of all you fry the potato and remove. After that you put mustard seed and this chili. After that this onion and fry. Okay, so shallow fry potato is done. So after that I remove those potato. So I use the refined oil because not available in mustard oil, you see. That is I not use the mustard oil. But you also available the mustard oil, so you use. So after remove the potato and I foran take. So one darchini and one tejpata and mustard seed. So put your pan. Yes, after that this is happen. So you covered, and after put some chili, and after put the this is going on this type of please you done any make a food, so very careful. You not careful, so mustard seed are out your face. After a little will this type of make, and after that put it the onion. So after you look this golden fry the onion and hold the masala. After that you put the bottle leaf and you then fry some time. After that put spice. I whole spice are put it a whole better like coriander powder and haldi, and whole your kitchen are available this mustard fluffy. So lot of their spice. So put. So I ask a question: who people are eat the bottle leaf? I think West Bengal people are very eaten like lau patta diye saag. So lau patta. So who people are eat, and who people are which state see my video. So you are also comment my comment box, and after that you which like you salt. So your taste. So I put the salt in 1 chammach. After see I feel a lot of boil, half boil I feel. So after boil are complete, then after you put the whole those type of spice. So whole spice are there, and after you put also your fried potato. So this fried potato are also put down, and after mix, and 10 to 50 minutes this is done your food, bottle ground leaf and potato. So I feel this vegetable is fully cooked. You see this vegetable is fully cooked. So put it a little bit garam masala and after you cook 2 minutes and mix, and after that remove your vegetable in the stove. So how feel this vegetable, and who people are eat this type of vegetable, bottle ground vegetable? So also comment, and how to look like, and how to improve my vegetable preparation. So also you are comment. So thank you for watching, viewers. Thank you so much. I wait your response. Thank you so much, people.